A trend emerged in 2018, and everyone got in line to take a turn bashing Facebook. In line were everyday people, governments and politicians, and even prominent business figures such as the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook. It's safe to say Facebook has been in the headlines in recent times for pretty much all the wrong reasons. The company has had a torrid time, in many ways being a scapegoat for all the fears people associate with privacy issues in the 21st century. The company has stated firmly its mea culpa in addressing these issues, but nonetheless the negative sentiment and gloomy forecasts has led to the market readjusting and ultimately some serious declines on their stock price. So estimates by Wall Street in the fourth quarter were typically on the lower end of things. However, often in the world of business, for all this chitter chatter, it's best to let the numbers speak for themselves. After all, the numbers don't lie. And in this quarter, I think the public was given a strong reminder by Facebook. Hey, we've taken a few hits, we're down but we're not out. So let's take a look at their financials to get a better gauge of their performance. Earnings per share of $2.38 and revenues of $16.91 billion. Their daily active users and monthly active users have remained strong in spite of all the negative sentiment. While we are seeing the North American market stabilize, there is still growth in the rest of the world on the international stage. I think it's maybe time we put Facebook in the same category as certain companies that are, for lack of better words, controversial and who aren't necessarily loved by all. Similar to tobacco companies, those that make guns and weapons, and gambling stocks, for example. The reality is Facebook doesn't need to be loved by all, but no one can tout the cash-generating machine that it is. We shouldn't let the negative perceptions people have on Facebook alter how we view a company from a financial and business perspective. Everyone wrote Facebook off. They spoke of their flaws, their fundamentally broken business, and many said that they will be crushed by regulation and government intervention. But their platform is sticky. They still have Instagram, which remains robust. They are the top 2 ad company in the world, and with all these social movements such as #DeleteFacebook, as I said, monthly and daily active users are remaining strong. It's a little crazy to see how strong this business actually is. Net income in this quarter versus the same quarter last year is up 61%. Average revenue per user, or ARPU, is up 21% from the last quarter and 19% from last year. Facebook shares closed today at the end of the market at $166.69, more than a 10% jump in its stock price after a blowout in earnings. Facebook today has shown the world it is still one of the strongest businesses. As always, we want to thank you guys for listening. Please give us some feedback and a subscribe if you like our content, and we hope to see you again next time.